Hi everyone, my name is Varsha and welcome to Study with Varsha. So today is day 4 and welcome to Python 30 days 30 minute challenge. So yesterday we have discussed about virtual environments. So let's go and for a quick review recall, and after that we will start today Python REPL. So a quick recall we will do in instead of cmd we will do in git bash. Yesterday we I show you in cmd. So first we will go, you just install it, you check the python version, then you will have to check python pyenv version, then you just try to create a virtual environment. This command yesterday only we have discussed. Now we checked which python, so it is in pywin sims. So to activate it, this is the command for git bash source venv. Instead of in linux and mac os we use bin, so here we just have to use scripts and then activate, so it will activate. Now before it was showing in sh pyenv win shmis. After activating it, we will be inside script, so our virtual environment inside script. Now let's deactivate it and then check the py environment. So now we came out of the virtual environment and now again it is showing shmis. Now let's create another virtual environment. So python -m venv dot venv2, that virtual environment 2. Okay, now activate it. So it will not activate because it will activate, but it is again we have created second virtual environment but we are activating one. So and now we are installing boto 3 in virtual environment, and after you will run boto 3 is installed, then we will check the list pip with the command pip list. Okay, so it will show boto 3 boto core everything it will show. Now let's again check the pip list, it is same. So again we have to deactivate it because currently we are in v environment virtual environment, so we are deactivating it. Okay, now leave it deactivated. Okay, so now we just have to activate what we are upgrading it. After upgradation, now I just want to deactivated pip list. 1 minute, I want to activate virtual environment 2 which I have created, so that I have activated and now I am in virtual environment 2. So here if I am list pip list, so it is showing only these two. Then again I upgraded pip list upgrade in virtual environment 2, I upgraded, then I checked pip list again, then I installed boto 3, it is in virtual environment 2. After installation I have deleted virtual environment 2. So there is no command, only one thing is there, rm-rf, and then we can delete the virtual environment 2. And if you want to create more virtual environment, you can do. So that's about virtual environment creation, multiple for multiple project, multiple virtual environment you can create. So that what we had done today, there was a quick recap. So now for today, let's start our topic, that is Python REPL. 1 minute. Yeah. So hi guys, let's start today's session. So first of all, what 1 minute? Just a second. Yeah. So let's start. So first, whatever the virtual environment is there. So let's check where we are. So we are in virtual environment. Okay. So just write Python. Once you will write Python, it will give you a place where you can directly write your Python code. For example, 1 plus 1, it will return 2. Now, again, if I am going to write print Varsha, it is giving error. So, to avoid all this thing, and now if we have to come out of this thing, then we will use for windows git bash, we have to use the command quit parenthesis, then we will come out of this. Now we are not in the virtual environment, we came out of the virtual environment. Now here we just install pip install Python, not Python, IPython rich. Okay, so one minute. Yeah, so just enter it here. Is like, what is the meaning of pip? So it is a Python official package manager, and install means it is saying to install IPython. IPython stands for interactive Python. It is much more powerful version of the standard Python terminal. So you can get like why to use if you are asking. So it adds tab completion, syntax highlighting, magic commands, and after running the install command you just type the IPython instead of Python to start. So it's done. So I just have to write now IPython. Previously we used to type Python, so now just type IPython. Yeah, so it will give you a place here. Now just enter 1 plus 1. Okay, now output is it is giving 2. Now here just write Varsha. So it will give you not just only numeric, all kind of value. So 1 minute, print, and it is in parenthesis. Okay, close it and just see, it is giving the output. So if you will install IPython, it will be very useful. Here you can run any kind of command. This is RHEL, which I was talking about. So first understand full form of RHEL. So that is Red Hat Enterprise level, but we are discussing about REPL full form. Yeah. So before jumping to the full form, let's understand. Here you can do basic Python, all the things. You can run string value, numeric value, dictionary, any kind of thing. Just you have to write here and you will execute it. And REPL means read, eval, print loop. Okay. Now again, if you have to exit from this also, then again you have to use the same command. What was the command? Have you remember? Yeah, quit parenthesis, close. We came out of this. Now we are in our local, not in the virtual machine. Okay, so just I am writing so that I will reach in the root. Now I am in a not in root, I am in a virtual environment. So let me do one thing. I have to deactivate it. Okay, 1 minute. ACTATIVE. Wait. Okay. 1 minute. Which Python? It is in where Python? Okay, I am in a virtual environment. So the command to come out of this deactivate Yeah, it's right only. Let me do one thing. Hmm. Deactivate. Yeah, it's deactivate. Now let me delete V V E N V. Okay. Now just check where the Python. Now I am in local. Okay. So here we just have to do one thing. CD this. Okay. Now create one file. Touch demo. First check it. Demo dot file is there or not. ls-lrt. I think I already have. If you don't have, demo.py. 1 minute. File. Demo.py. I already have. If you guys don't have, you can create with the command touch demo.file. Just open demo.py. So you just write anything. Python file running correctly, or you just run print 1 plus 1. Now save it and out come out of this. Just run now the command pyth on python demo.py and wait for this. Okay, when you run this script, the output it is giving is 2. Okay, so now just install pip install Jupyter Lab, JUPYTERLAB. No, we have to just go inside the virtual environment. Inside virtual environment only we will do. So how can we can go? How? Let me show you the command. Okay, so before that, before first we will create the virtual environment, then we will activate it because we have deleted it. So first let us start it. Just a second, guys. So once it will create, then we will activate it and then we will install Jupyter Lab. Yeah, it install. Then now let us activate it. Yeah, it's activated. Now here you can see v.venv. Now it's installed. Now let us install in virtual machine only Jupyter. See, I already have done before so that I can teach you guys. So for me it's there. Okay, but you have to write. Leave it. Let me write only. Pip I install JUPYTERLAB Jupyter Lab. For me it will not take that much time, but for you guys it will take time because I already have installed, so it will not take that much time, but you guys it will take time if you are installing it for the first time. It is taking time, just wait for it. Let me pause the video so that it will not take that much time, and then once it will done I will come. Yes, now it get installed, and you will see that a new release of pip available 22, that new is 25.3. So without wasting, just I am just trying, so it will be update. To make it up to date, I just run this command: pip install Jupyter Lab IPython Rich. Now it's there. Now just save this output with the command FREEZE freeze greater than requirement one dot txt. Why I am doing? Because I already have one requirement file, so that's why I am doing requirements.1. Okay, sorry, freeze, not w. Yeah, it have to be saved. Yeah, it's saved. Now just check the lab, JUPYTERLAB, and here you can see each and everything whatever we have installed for the Jupyter. See, okay, we can see here. Now clear the screen. Interrupted. Now with the help of this command, you just see one thing. Okay, let me minimize the screen and I will show you. This is the command. Okay, so 1270 and this one. Okay, so to use, like, where it is running, 1 minute I will show you so that you people will understand in a better way. This is the command. See, 127 IP is there and 888 lab token. So after this is equal to whatever this is the token, and this is the server applications. So, and it is running here. So just copy it, and if you just have to paste in the URL, then you can log in the Jupyter. Just go here. Okay, enter it. Okay, I think okay, no worries. Server app, in both of that anyone will be fine. Control C, just run it. Ideally it should have to run, but it is not running. 1 minute, let me check why. Leave up to lab. Okay, something is there which we have to fix it. You know what you will do if you are not getting, then Jupyter server list, run this command. See, you guys currently running on the server means everything is fine, but why it is not coming our Jupyter environment, you have to work on it, and if you find it, just comment in the comment box. Otherwise tomorrow I will show you how to fix it. So thank you for watching Study with Varsha. Have a great day. And tomorrow, from tomorrow we will start actual Python, list, tuple, everything we will discuss.